Today is a very special day. I get to share with you a brand new wellness product that is hitting the market today for anyone that wants to eat more fruits and vegetables and reap all the incredible benefits when you do that. This right here is the Nama C2 cold press juicer and blender. This one kitchen appliance can make fresh pressed juices. It can do creamy, dreamy green smoothies. It can do hot pureed vegetable soups, can make hummus, nut butter, non-dairy milks like almond milk and oat milk. And what blows my mind the most is that it can also make fruit sorbets and frozen yogurt. Yes, one kitchen appliance can do all of this. Nama is giving you 10% off and free shipping with your purchase if you use the discount code GEN10. The incredible Nama team reached out to me back in March of 2021 asking for my feedback and if I wanted to be a part of the creation process for the C2. So for the last 2.5 years, I've been super quiet about this secret project, but have had so much fun working with them on it. Nama is best known for their J2 juicer, which has over 10,000 five-star reviews. It blows my mind, like that is so many happy customers. So what they've done at Nama is they've taken this beloved J2 juicer and they put it on steroids. They've added a high quality, high powered blender attachment to it, and they've also made their sorbet attachment included with it. From the outer box to the inside packaging and the printed materials, everything is 100% compostable, down to the handle. I also found out that they used water and plant-based inks on all their printed material and protected the main components of the machine with reusable and super adorable bamboo bags that you can repurpose and use at the grocery store for your produce, which I definitely plan on doing. One of the most standout things about Nama is that they have a 15-year warranty for all parts on this machine. Let's take it for a test drive because I want to share with you what this baby can do. So we're going to make a supercharged green smoothie that tastes delicious, because if it's healthy but it doesn't taste good, I'm not going to drink it again and again. All right, so first we're going to use the juicer and make a simple green juice base. We're going to add the following ingredients in order of softness to hardest to the hopper. So we're going to start with 2 cups of kale leaves, or 6 whole kale leaves depending on what you have, which is full of iron, magnesium, potassium, and folate. Next, we're going to add 1/4 of a lemon, and we're going to remove the outer layer of the peel, but leaving as much of the white pith as possible because that has the most amount of vitamin C in a lemon. Next, we're going to add 2 celery stalks, which are high in vitamin A and vitamin C. We're just going to roughly chop them to fit in the hopper, but you don't have to chop them small, which is what I love about this juicer, is that you can even put whole produce in there and it will chop it for you. But if I give it a little bit of help with some small chops, it does make it easier. The last thing we're going to add is 1 green apple, which is high in antioxidants and low in sugar, and they taste great. I love green apples. Once everything is added to the hopper, you're gonna press the knob to start the juicer. At this point, you can walk away, make a cup of coffee, do some jumping jacks, whatever you want, because the C2 is gonna turn that gorgeous, vibrant produce into fresh pressed cold juice in minutes. You'll notice that the green juice is crazy vibrant in color and it's not foamy, which is due to the Nama C2's cold pressed juice process that keeps the nutrients intact, it preserves the color and flavor, and it limits oxidation. Now we're going to start creating our supercharged green smoothie. We're gonna make the kale smoothie that's from my free 7-day green smoothie challenge. In the challenge, we use a water base for the liquid, yet we're gonna supercharge the smoothie by swapping out that water with the green juice that we just made to amplify the nutrients. First, we're gonna add 1 cup of green juice to our blender container. Then we're gonna add 2 oranges, and then we're gonna put in 2 cups of kale. So the kale is where we're gonna get a fiber boost in the smoothie to help keep us full, also make it just thicker and be delicious. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of frozen pineapple, which is a natural sweetener and also has a lot of fiber to help with your digestive system and keep you full. Then we're gonna toss in 1 cup of frozen mango, which is delicious and it really adds a creamy texture to this smoothie that I love. With the pineapple and mango, this smoothie is gonna taste like a tropical treat. Now we're gonna turn the knob onto the smoothie mode and hit start, and it's gonna allow the blender to break down the cell walls of the plants to create a creamy, supercharged green smoothie. The C2 blends between 16,000 and 26,000 rotations per minute. I mean, I don't even know how they were able to calculate that or count it, but that's pretty incredible. The blender also has an ice crush setting, which I think would be great to use for margaritas. There's a setting to do soups, which will blend it at high speed and actually warm your soup for you, which is cool. And there's even a self-cleaning feature built into the machine. Once the smoothie's blended, we're gonna open the hole in the lid and add our chia seeds. So I like to use manual mode at this point because I can control how much blend I'm doing, and I just wanna lightly blend them until they're mixed into the smoothie. Now that our smoothie is ready, we're gonna remove the blender from the base and pour it into my favorite glass to enjoy. Look how thick, vibrant, and refreshing this smoothie is. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. The amount of macro and micronutrients you're giving your body in one glass is incredible. Healthy foods have to taste good for me to keep eating them, and this smoothie does exactly that. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you were able to see why the Nama C2 is something I am so excited about, and I think is gonna help so many of us who are trying to eat more nutritious and as close to nature as possible. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the recipe and make it again and again. But most importantly, I hope you continue to invest in your health and fuel your passions. So until my next video, peace, love, and leafy greens.